Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your downloads folder efficiently in Windows in 2026. So if your downloads folder is messy, full of duplicate files, or slowing down your PC, this guide will help you organize it properly step by step. First, open your downloads folder and sort files by date or size. This helps you quickly see what's new and what's taking up space. Next, delete files you don't need anymore. So, old installers, duplicate downloads, and unused documents can be removed safely. Now create folders like documents, videos, software, and images. This keeps everything structured and easy to find later. So move important files out of downloads right away. Keeping them there too long is what usually causes clutter. Next, enable Storage Sense in Windows. This automatically removes temporary files and helps manage storage over time. Finally, check for large files like videos or software installers and move them to external storage or delete them if no longer needed. And that's how to manage your downloads folder efficiently in Windows in 2026. Once you organize files, delete clutter, and set a clean system, your PC will stay fast and easy to use. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows productivity tutorials. Hey,